Who are they? Mhlabelela lo mhlabeleli 1998 bekuthi ngabe kuphele konke. Hallelujah. Bekungathi kuphele konke. My mom lost memory. Angathi kuyaphela. Angithi ungithatha la, angibeke la, angisuse la, angibeke la. Qhubeka Nkosi. Kwasekubhaliwe kwathiwa ngeke bakhona nokulida ibandla sebebadala maye ungithatha la angibeke la angisuse la angibeke la. Who are they? Peter Ephraim Todeti, the first son of Kamini and Malifu Todeti, born on August 25, 1940 something. 1925. A young man, he studied his low primary and went to high school. Ngalesa insuku kwako JC waze kwaphumelela. At the very young age, waqala wasebenza. Uke wasebenzela enye company le ayisebenzela only from ekuseni ngelunch wayiseshiyile eseyofesa eConsole. Mayifike eConsole bafike bamthatha khona. Waqala wasebenza khona. Esebenza khona kamakhelwane ejampisa ihlo ebona njalo kamakhelwane. He saw a very beautiful lady. Don't look at her body now. Wayesilenda sakwabo inhle indoda second daughter second daughter kadingiswa nonobuntu okakoti ududu Kate wayomashongwe ngaleso sikhathi iyinhle intokazi yakwabo ebrapito yabuka kahle ukuthi kahle ukuze ngithole lo sesi I will have to have a white dust coat ukuze ngikwazi ukungena. Fanele ngijoyine ngoba la kulo muzi cha kuyakhonza. Iwami ke le yajoyina esontweni. Okay. Ngoba sibonile. Okay. Hayi baxoxisana bavumelana. Who are they? Bathi ngoJune ngeke silusho usuku 1972. Bafasi ifindo labo lomshado. They are celebrating 51 years this year. Ifindo lakhona lingqi. Ukathi umama, I said to myself, there is no fed up leaf. When the going get tough, I will persevere. She never took fed up leave for 51 years. God bless them with 3 daughters. The late Ausmpakseni daughter Todeti. May your soul continue to rest in peace. And their second daughter, Lerato Belinda Williams. And the last born, which is Palisa Todeti. And God continue to uplift them. Temaikala Archbishop wethu ekhonza uke walida ibranch enkulu eyilide unobhala. Who are they? Uthu Paul ku Timothy kumele honorishwe ama elders asebenzile. Who are they? Kuthe when the going get tougher, because the plan kaNkulunkulu ngevinje umuntu. Kuthi uhleli la Tsotetsi kodwa unobiso. Ngifuna uhambe uyoma. 1998 baphuma ebandleni elalaziwa kakhulu ngamaKhandoniya kwi-branch yaseNyonini. Baphuma kwabanzima. Bajoyina ibandla ukukhanya okusha. Mabese kukhanya okusha, Archbishop wethu waqamba ibranch afike nayo ekukhanyeni okusha wathi ubuhle bokukhanya. Yaqala indaba yobuhle bokukhanya iqalwa Archbishop PE and DK Tsotetsi. Baseva ebuhleni bokukhanya ekukhanyeni okusha bewubuhle bokukhanya. Baqala ngeshethi labo ababe identify ngalo ekukhanyeni okusha eli-purple, the royal purple color, that the one that we are wearing. Kuthe
two-tone blend.
ibhande lakhona yebo babintshangase lalu-two-tone, enye iphathi white, enye green, bese kulandela ngolindo omhlophe ngaphezulu kwaleya two-tone. Kuthe ngo-2009 ngoba indoda yobizo izoloku ikhishwa njalo, kwasho ukuthi akakacaci kahle ukuthi uNkulunkulu umkhiphelani. Bajoyina ibandla iLiving Wall Ministries 2009. 2010 May wa-ordainwa Archbishop wethu as the second Archbishop of Living Well Ministries. Kwahamba kwakhonzeka. 2016 wathi uNkulunkulu, I haven't changed. Icebo lami. 2016 November wathi uNkulunkulu, go back. I gave you a name for a reason. Buhle bokukhanya. 2016 November, he had to go back. Wabuyela ebuhleni bokukhanya. And his final consecration as the Archbishop of ubuhle bokukhanya was on August 25. On his birthday, he was ordained 2018 as the Archbishop of ubuhle bokukhanya Ministries. uNkulunkulu wenza umusa. Athi babintshangase zizohluma inwele kuSamson. Who are they? Bangubani? Are they worth the double honor? Are we muzzling the ox? Siloke sibashaya nje singaba honorish. Sebesebenzile kangaka. They have sons and daughters in the spiritual realm. Namabandla aripota kuyena. Namadodana wagcoba Archbishop wethu amisa amabandla awo. Mayimgcoba Archbishop Professor MM Shabalala wathi hamba uyokwenza uNkulunkulu akuthume kona. He's still doing it. Bene helper yakhe. They deserve the double portion. Are we giving them what they deserve? Who are they? Even those who didn't know, their brief